Hello student, this question comes in the GATE 2005 2 marks plus in competition also it come in the 3 marks. So we will discuss. The following table has two attribute A and C, where A is my primary key and C is my foreign key referencing to the A. Getting my point? With on delete cascade. On delete cascade means there are three type of case if you violate the referential integrity condition: on delete set null, on delete no action, on delete cascade. What will happen in on delete cascade? I will explain here. The set of all tuples that must be additionally deleted. He is asking about ki what is the set of all tuples that must be additionally deleted to preserve referential integrity. Here, to maintain the referential integrity when the tuple 2, 4 is deleted. Getting my point? This tuple is deleted. So what will happen in on delete cascade? Whenever in on delete cascade primary key is deleted, then the primary key which is used in the foreign key, that primary key, delete that primary key which is used in foreign key everywhere. Getting my point? Means यहाँ आपका 2 डिलीट हो गया है प्राइमरी की. सो इस प्राइमरी की को रेफरेंशियल इंटीग्रिटी मेंटेन करने के लिए जो टेबल फॉरेन की कंटेन कर रही है उस टेबल में जहां जहां आपका 2 प्रेजेंट है उन सारी टपल्स को डिलीट करना पड़ेगा. बट इन दिस सिनेरियो ए रिलेशन वन रिलेशन कंटेन द प्राइमरी की एंड फॉरेन की. अदरवाइज a relation we need a two separate relation also. There is a two separate relation, one contain the primary key and another that used in the foreign key also, that is A, another relation. But here a same relation contain primary key and foreign key. So here primary key 2 is deleted, so we delete the tuple in foreign key where the 2 is used. Then where the 2 is used? 5 to 7 2. Getting my point? Due to this we lost 2 more primary key, that is 5 and 7 when we delete 2. So we delete the tuple in the foreign key where 5 and 7 is present. So 5 is present anywhere? Yes. Due to that one key is also deleted, 9. 5 is not present, 7 is present in foreign key. Reference in the foreign key? No. 9 is not reference. So the additional tuple is deleted, 5 2, 7 2 and 9 5. Getting my point? 5 2, 7 2 and 9 5. Here you can see when the tuple 2, 4 is deleted, then 2 is the primary key, but 5, so that is present in 5 2 and 7 2 because 2 is foreign key, so that must be also deleted because that primary key, what is the primary key? 2 is the primary key used in the foreign key. So to maintain the referential integrity we delete that key also in foreign key. So the 5 2 and 7 2 delete. Due to that 5 and 7 primary key is also deleted. So the primary key 5 2 and 7 2, 5 and 7 is also deleted. So we delete the tuple in which 5 or 7 is present. 5 is present in 9 5. So because here 5 is foreign key in this tuple, so the answer is 5 2, 7 2 and 9 5. So 3 tuple additionally deleted to preserve the referential integrity constant. Getting my point? Okay, thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.